I get home. SSS PS. What do you think of this? The backboard. It's called Boys and it's yours. I hope you like it.
Yeah.
I hope you like it. It is a Ken Heyman photo Xerox transfer. Watercolor. Happy summer. So you have to use Xerox. Does she put special kind of paper in the Xerox machine? She probably would, wouldn't she? Or she could. I mean, this is, or does she rough this up or what?
Just paste it on.
But then it's rough.
Yeah.
It's like, I can't quite see. That's your butt, legs, knee,
Yeah.
foot. What's this?
I don't know if that's somebody's head.
And what's this? It looks like another leg. Is this the leg and a knee? She certainly has a confidence about herself, doesn't she?